Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can make a glow effect to your videos on CapCut PC. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open CapCut app on your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, add the video in which you want to add glow effect. Now, copy the video that you added to the CapCut PC, then paste it on the another video layer. Then, you're going to click on the second clip and find the blend here. Change the mode into the color dodge and you can just adjust the opacity. I'm going to go with 70%. Now, go to the video effects and then add the edge glow effect to your video. And then just adjust the line to fit into the video. After that, adjust the intensity of the glow that you want. Now you're going to click on the first clip and then go to adjustment. Here, go to the lightness and you have to adjust the brightness, contrast, highlight and others to adjust on the glow that you want. Once you have adjusted all these things, then go and also adjust the color of the second clip to find the right glow that you want. And you are done. So that's basically how you can make a glow effect to your videos on CapCut PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.